Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. I am doing a flip through of my Love Always 39-page printable journal kit. So the story on this one is there was already a Love Always digital in my Etsy shop. However, it was one of the first digitals that I had made, and my skills have increased incredibly in the last couple of years. And so I deactivated it a few days ago and I've sort of revamped it. So saying that, if you have purchased the Love Always digital from my Etsy shop and you are able to give me an order number for it, I will send you this new version, which is bigger and grander and awesome. I can't say enough how pleased I am with it. As you'll see when I start doing the flip through, it turned out absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited that I was able to create it. So I want to share that with you if you've already purchased this kit. So just send me a message with the order number and I will email it to you. I think with that being said, we'll get started. Okay, so as I had said, it's a 39-page digital. Here is the first page. There's lots of pink in the kit. And although it's very Valentine-y, it's also got a ton of pages and embellishments and ephemera that you can use that are not Valentine's, just more shabby chic, romantic, pink, girly, that kind of thing. I really love this envelope. It says P.S. I love you on it. Super pretty. So there's page 1. And then there's the backing page for it. I included lots of backing pages and more plain pages in this kit. And there's another one. This page is stunning. I really, really like it a lot. It's so pretty. And I love this lace. I've got a few pages with the lace on there. So pretty. There it is there. Not as embellished. She's so cute. And this one has the music, kind of remnants of music sheets behind it. I love the pink ribbon. So pretty. Lots of roses in this kit. This is beautiful. So nice. Little music notes. This is so pretty. I love that pink frame. These are really pretty. I love this page. It's one of my favorite pages. Love, love it. And I also am just about done creating some freebie pages that go with this kit. I think there'll be 5 for sure. And I'm going to upload those to my Kofi page. So watch out for those. The link will be down below for the digital in my shop and for the freebie in Kofi once I've uploaded it. I should have actually had this page over here because it's part of that music note grouping, but that's okay. So pretty. Love song to my Valentine. Yeah, this has got like gold edging around it. And just a really pretty pink striped page. And then we have a dictionary page and a music sheet with some shabby distressed roses. And of course I had to include a collage page. Really happy with how it turned out. It's so pretty. And then we have this page. Love that white frame. Love this page. I think this is one of my favorites as well. Or maybe this one. Actually, I think this one is. Yeah. And then these strips of pattern are just bigger strips that you could cut tags out of, or punch circles or hearts, or make even a pocket, a belly band, whatever you want. And now we move on to the embellishments and the ephemera. I love how this little bingo card turned out. It says love instead of bingo, but same idea. This book belongs to. That's perfect. I really like the film strip and the frame. And of course, we have to have our library card. That's Love Always. Name of the kit with the library pocket. Tons of embellishments, you guys. Lots of embellishments. So many possibilities. Pretty little envelope. And this postcard fits in the envelope perfectly. And there we have a pocket. And all of this ephemera fits in there really well. I love this little label. It's so pretty. And another pocket with ephemera. And these labels are just like the this book belongs to, except that they don't have any wording on them. I love these tags. This rose here, which is in the fussy cuts for the roses, has got gold all around the edges. It's so pretty, and I love this little lady. Yep, super nice. And then I love this envelope. It's so nice. Yep, and some really cool labels. Really happy with that one. And then we have a page full of words in the creamy color and the pink, and then a whole bunch of labels and a love definition. And some beautiful tabs, tickets, faux stamps, and some numbers in the circles. Buttons. The buttons are all 1 inch and a 1/2 inch. So if you have a 1 inch punch and a 1/2 inch punch, they'll punch out perfectly. Bunch of postcards. Beautiful ephemera. So pretty. Some fussy cuts. There's that beautiful rose I was speaking of. There'll be more rose fussy cuts in the freebie. I love these. These bows here are mirrored, so you could cut these two out, place them back to back, and use them as like a tab on a whatever, a page or a tag or whatever. And when you flip it over, it'll be the really pretty bow on the other side as well. Lots of really beautiful hearts, because it is all about love and Valentine's. I love this one. So pretty. Some more fussy cuts. I love this. That and this angel. Some beautiful ephemera. I'm just so happy with it. Look how beautiful that is. Very nice. More ephemera. Love these photos. And a lot of the embellishments, not all, but a lot of them, I did do one size smaller, so that chances are when you print the page off, you're going to have the right size for what you're looking for. This one here, this little label with the roses and the kitty cats, is for Margreth over at 7 Plaza. That is for you, Margreth. She loves her kitties and her labels, so that is perfect. And then another page of labels, some pretty labels here. I love that one. More ephemera. And I think that's it. Yeah. So that is the 39-page Love Always digital kit in my Etsy shop and linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Have a good day. Bye.